Hello, and welcome to a short video overview on the integration between Xero and Skynamo. Before we begin, we're going to have a quick look at the Xero side of things, where you are able to view your various different products and services. Clicking through to the Contacts dropdown and selecting Customers, we are then able to see your list of customers. First, we are going to start on the login screen of Skynamo integration. Here, you will log in using your credentials to then connect with Xero. Once Connect is selected, you will be taken to the next page to select your organization using the dropdown, before selecting Allow Access. The next prompt asks you to enter your company key and for your import and export data types, which you can select easily using the dropdown, before selecting Done. You should then see a successful configuration notification on the top of the page. We are then going to go ahead and log into Skynamo, where you will see that there are currently no customers listed and no products currently loaded. We can then go ahead and load the customer and product fields for Xero. Once this is loaded, you will be able to click on Settings before selecting Customer Fields, where you will notice that the fields are populated with Xero information customer fields. If we then select Settings and then Product Fields, you will see a category drop-down multi-select box was added for the products. Next, we will then pull all the data by running the integration, and we will be able to see a customer file, a product file, a sales file, and a stock level file. Now we can import the data. Once this import has been completed, we are able to see that all of this information on Xero now reflects on Skynamo. Here, you are able to see your full list of customers, for example. If we then select a certain customer, you will see that all of the fields filled in on Xero are populated. And if we have a look at the products, you will see that all of the products are also loaded on Skynamo. Going into a little more detail, if we look on Xero at the medium black t-shirt, for example, we can see it has a sales price of 40 Rand and has a quantity of 4. If we then go back to Skynamo and we search for that t-shirt, we are able to see all of this information as it was reflected on Xero. We can now add an order by selecting the Customer tab and clicking on the specific customer. On their page, we now select the drop-down Add and then Create New Order. We can then search for the t-shirts and add a certain quantity, in this case 3. At this point, you can add on any discounts should you wish to before selecting Next. On the next page, we can then write any comments and references, insert the recipient's email address, and add a signature before selecting Next. This will then take you to the full overview of the order, where you can double-check all your order information before placing the order. You will then see a successful order placement notification and the number of your specific order, in this case, order number 1. We then have our one exported file, which we can pull. Once this is completed, we can go back onto Xero and refresh the page, where you will be able to see the order, here labeled HB-1. If we select HB-1, we can see that it is the medium t-shirt we ordered with a quantity of 3 at a unit price of 40 Rand. It can then be further approved here. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this Xero integration overview video for Skynamo, the all-in-one field sales platform.